Today I was just scrolling like usual and suddenly thought, what if the internet just stopped working right now? At first you'd probably think it's nothing serious, just your Wi-Fi acting weird like it sometimes does. But then you switch to mobile data, and somehow that doesn't work either, which feels a bit strange. And when you check with other people, you realize their internet isn't working too, not anywhere at all. Within minutes, social media platforms stop updating. No new posts, no messages, just complete silence everywhere online. No notifications, no news, no way to check what's going on. It suddenly feels like the whole world went quiet. And that's when things start getting serious, because the internet isn't just for fun, it runs a lot more. Online payments stop working completely, meaning you can't pay for things digitally, even if you have money available. ATMs and banking systems begin to glitch out, and long lines start forming as people try to access cash. Food delivery apps stop working, ride services disappear, and suddenly getting basic things becomes way harder than usual. Businesses start slowing down quickly, because many systems rely on internet connections to function properly throughout the day. Flights don't fall out of the sky, but delays begin stacking up as systems struggle without real-time data connections. That's because the internet quietly connects everything, from communication to transport, finance, and even basic daily operations. But here's something unexpected. After a while, people slowly begin to adjust to the situation in surprising ways. After a few hours, people start talking more in person, instead of relying on messages and screens all the time. Neighbors who never spoke before suddenly meet and actually have real conversations outside their homes for once. Kids begin going outside to play, instead of staying indoors glued to phones, tablets, or video games all day. And slowly everything starts to feel quieter, less noise, less distraction, and a very different kind of calm. But this calm doesn't last forever, because the longer the internet stays down, the bigger the problems become. If it lasted more than a single day, supply chains, services, and systems could fail, leading to much bigger global chaos.